Why, hello. Oh, sorry, Mr. Diddy. I'm nicking your intro line there, aren't I? Good. Right, a very, very, very quick video today. My Action 4 camera arrived today. Now, I've been hanging on to wait and see what the Action 5 had to offer. And to be honest, although it is an upgrade over the 4, I'm not really sure that it warrants another 140 quid on top of the Action 4 money. So certainly watching everybody else's video that have got the 4s, I thought bugger it, let's just get the 4. Save yourself 140 quid, you can buy a new pair of boots with that. So this is on the Action 4 with the Mic 2 paired straight to the Action 4. Hopefully it's coming up and picking up all right. Now the eagle-eyed amongst you might have noticed something else. This is not the Versys, this is a GS. Yes, I've turned into a GS wanker. I was missing a boxer engine, and even more so I was missing that shaft drive. So we did a deal. We've chopped the Versys in and we got this. This is older than the Versys was. This is a 2018. It's the 1200, not the 1250. Being retired and poor, I thought, well, there's still some good deals to be had on these 1200s with not many miles on them. We've got this. This is the 1200 exclusive, so it's got hill start and all that malarkey on it. TFT dash. I've got to admit, it rides lovely. This adapter cradle for the phone is the one that I had on my RT. Now that came from China, and it cost me about 17 quid, I think. Look at the state of that, look. Pissed as a rat. Yeah, it only cost about 17 quid. Now I know BMW do a BMW connected cradle that is wireless charger and uses your phone, but your phone you can get on the connected hub and everything and use the joggle wheel. So looking at it, brand new's about 200 quid. There is a couple of second-hand ones on there, but China, being China, do an exact copy for 54 quid. Now just by looking at that last night on eBay, when I woke up this morning, there was a message from the seller. Now he wanted 54 quid and 8 quid delivery, saying he'd do it for 42 quid delivered. I don't know, for the sake of 42 quid, it might be worth having a go. I suppose I'm going to have to get used to people not acknowledging me now. Being a GS wanker, nobody will wave. Still, I'm sure we'll get used to that. I shall keep nodding and waving like a pillock. Look at it, look. September the 14th and there's still shitloads of people about. Still in t-shirts and shorts. But yeah, what a difference between this and the Versys. Of course, this you don't need to change gear nowhere near as much. And doesn't matter what gear you're in, the grunt is there. It's like a bronzy colour and the chocolate brown as well. The GS exclusive. It's got that silly SOS button, so if you do come off, it automatically calls for help. Mike knows about that, don't you, Mike? I just feel so much more at home with these boxer engines. It came with a full luggage. It's got the Vario luggage that is expandable. Even the top box is expandable in height. So it's got the little USB under the seat as well for Enduro Pro. This one, although it's not the Adventure, has got the spoke wheels, and even though they're spoke, they are tubeless. Comes with Road 6s, so a decent set of tyres on her. I did look at the 1250s, and I mean, yeah, I would have loved a 1250, but to be honest, you can pick up the 1200s with sort of still decent mileage on them for quite bonkers money, really. Look at this, look, he ain't even gonna fucking look. Now, if anybody is interested in a Insta Ace Pro, that's the posh one where the back screen flips up. That camera does way more than my intelligence level lets me cope with. If anyone is willing to give me the price of an Action 4, which at the moment is 259, you can have that Ace Pro for 259 quid, 260, say, round it up. But it's perfect working order, and that's the one that records in 8K. If you're that way inclined, you will have to have an SD card capable of doing that. I tried recording the other day at 8K, and my little SanDisk SD cards wouldn't cope with it. So if anyone's interested in that, I think new, they're still, I don't know, I saw in 379, I think someplace you can get them for 329, I want to say. But if I can get the cost of an Action 4, I'll let it go. If not, I'll keep it. It's a perfect good camera. Oh, it's a GS wanker. Look at that, even the GS didn't wave to a GS. Dear oh dear, you watch my channel subs go down now. I am hoping that we can get out and about a bit more, because I don't want to tempt fate. The shoulder hasn't been too bad. Not bad at all lately. Night time's a pain, still wakes me up a couple of times, but it's only to fidget to get comfy again. What's the time? 5:15. 17 degrees. I've got my mesh jacket on, and my titties are loving the breeze. So all of you that hate GS wankers, I'm sorry, the urge got the better of me. I've always loved BMWs, I love my RT. That engine is superb. God, stunning, look at that. A bungalow the size of a nuclear submarine.